Hey all. So welcome back again. Today we're gonna do a bunch of random shit. Alexa, turn on speaker. I don't know if it's already on or not. Find out. I've been on call like the past while. So I've just been like pretty busy. And I really didn't get a lot of stuff done. Oh, I guess the other thing that we're gonna do, let me add it to the list in the title. So Spark, Kubernetes. Actually, I mean Spark Kubernetes and Hadoop encoding S3 Adventures is a pretty good summary of what we're gonna do. Um, Specifically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at publishing Spark Docker containers to Docker Hub. Follow up with infra on that. ASF infra. We're gonna follow up on my Statefulset PR. See how that's coming along, and then we're also gonna look at supporting content encoding for S3. And that one is because there's a bunch of S3 tools which sort of depend on content encoding to infer compression, whereas Spark and most of the other rest of the Hadoop ecosystem depends on file extension to infer encoding. So like .gz, and that's going to be the plan. So we're gonna try and make these all work. I have no idea how well it's going to go. Um, and yeah, let's see what happens. Okay. So first things first, let's follow up with my outbound PR. And that one is going to be the Spark Statefulset PR, author Holden. It's failing. That's not good. Let's see where we're left off. Okay. Oh, fails to build? Okay, what is the build error? Most likely things have changed underneath us. Oh, sweet. Okay. Hmm. That's weird. Okay. Um, Executor pods allocator suite. Let's go take a look at our set. Okay. Yeah. Pods allocator under test. Okay, let's go take a look at Executor pods allocator suite. Okay, so that's really weird. Let's go get diff, get log. Because that really doesn't make sense to me. Because we don't need application ID anymore. Right? Oh, pods allocator under test. Like this makes it look executor pods allocator, set total expected executors, set total expected executors. Let's go double check, but like that just doesn't. Yeah. Okay. We're just gonna merge. We'll do a git push. And we'll see. I don't. Let's go. Oh, okay, actually. Yeah. Clean, compile, Kubernetes test, I guess. We'll kick that off. This just looks like it's not the same version of the code because that just doesn't make sense to me. Now. Okay, cool. We'll run that. That'll probably take a little bit. But let's make sure that there's no other like active comments. Yeah, okay. That looks like okay. It's not ideal, but it's okay. So then the infra PR. Okay. Spark PR. So I'm actually going to go look at issues that are reported by me instead of my Spark issues. Because I reported an infra issue and I want to see. Huh. No comments on that. So I guess what I'll do, because it's been like about 5 days, I'll just do a search. Docker. And project equals infra. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just guessing this is the person. And I'll try pinging them. Who set this up for the Beam project. My Docker Hub account is holding K, okay. And so I'm gonna email dude Docker Hub account for pushing Docker images. Hi dude. just collecting the information for and I know they're going to want to know your Docker Hub username. Do you have an account? And if not, cool. So I'll just bounce that over to cc at as well for Docker Hub. Oh, okay, cool. And so we'll do that, and don't know. We'll see if that works, but that'll hopefully be some progress. Oh, okay, and my computer no longer, okay. That compiled just fine. So yeah, that's weird. I'm confused why it didn't build before, but that's okay. So pinged infra. Oh yeah, okay. And then up next is going to be issues reported by me. This is generally what like the day after on-call looks like. Is going through and figuring out what we're doing. Okay, so yeah, so Hadoop 17851 is what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead. Do I have Hadoop checked out? I do. But I'm actually gonna go ahead. Do I have a fork of it? I don't know. Let's find out. I don't. Yeehaw. Huh. I wonder if this is going to be my first Hadoop PR. That'd be kind of cool. Oh. Oof. Everything's so sore. Okay. That's going to take a hot minute. Coffee. Oops. Okay, get remote, add, upstream. Yeah. I'm curious. I bet I don't actually have anything in here. That is super weird. Cool. This is fun. We get to go one layer down on the stack. And so while Spark itself doesn't depend on Hadoop, like MapReduce or Yarn, like you can run it on Kubernetes, we do use a bunch of Hadoop tools, including the Hadoop committers. And specifically, the one that we're going to be using is Hadoop AWS somewhere. Okay, it's in Hadoop Tools, AWS. Okay. This might... Okay, what's the start build env? Let's go take a look at that. Not Darwin. Well, let's run it and see what happens. Is it gonna give me a build environment? I don't know. Okay, while that's running, so, okay, grep-r I object metadata. This is my memory trying to come back to me. Okay. This is looking familiar-ish. Okay, let's go open S3 file system.java. Okay. This is kind of neat that everything's packaged together, but okay. Let's go find metadata. Okay, let's go object metadata. I don't want to get, it's not the get object metadata. Okay, new put object request. Okay. New put object. New object metadata. Okay. New object metadata. Okay, and this gets delegated to the request factory. Okay, which is probably going to be request factory impl, because we're in Java land, request factory impl.java. Okay, cool. So, I think, okay. So here we go. Inside of set optional object metadata, what I'm going to do here oh, cool. And it just got a notification to my phone that replied in the Jira. Cool. So we'll see. We're still blocked on infra because infra is the one who has to set this up for us. But hopefully we'll make some progress. Oh yeah. Soon. And that would be great. So that's cool. That's hopefully enough. I think that answered all of the questions that they had for the Beam Jira in advance. So that's words. Fuck my brain. That's cool. Okay. Brain. Okay. Final string content encoding. Get content encoding. So I guess I want to double check. Okay. Okay, what am I looking at? Oh yeah, okay. S3 content encoding gzip. There we go. There we go. Yeah. And this is the one where it's just like bloop 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 bloop. Sadness. Does this sound right? No, not quite. Um, Okay. S3 content coding, Hadoop, AWS. Okay, Hadoop, AWS, Spark. I want to find it. Yeah, here we go. And yeah, this answer is bad because it doesn't actually work. And so yeah, this is what I want to do. We want to set content encoding as a header in the object metadata. Okay, cool. So that sounds right. Let's go find get server-side encryption algorithm. Get server-side. Okay, get the content encoding, gzip, or return null. Return content encoding. Oh, encoding. Yeah. String get content encoding. Okay. Okay, encryption secrets. Okay. Okay, is there a conf object? No. Shit. So let's go find the builder. This dot content encoding equals builder dot content encoding. Return. Okay. Let's go find request factory builder. Request factory builder? No, this is my request factory. Request factory builder. Okay. Cool. Content encoding. content encoding. Okay. Java. So much Java. Content encoding. Content encoding. Okay, so then the question is, where do we call with bucket? So let's go find with bucket. Side of Hadoop, tools, Hadoop, AWS. Okay. So S3A file system. Let's go back to S3A file system. Hells yeah. Okay. With content encoding. Encoding. Okay, long. Okay. Long option? Okay. Okay. Any encoding type. String. Okay, and then canned ACL is going to be defined. Inside of constants. Constants.java inside of S3A. Gzip. Okay. Public static final string content encoding. Content encoding. Public static final string default content encoding. Default content encoding. Okay. Okay. S3 content encoding. Yep. Okay. Identity gzip. content encoding. Okay, what are the supported content encodings for S3? Okay. S3 supported content encoding. Can I ease it? Ease it to... I want to do a push with content encoding. What is AWS chunked? Content encoding? What's this? Okay, interesting question. Does this show up anywhere? Cool. Okay. Let's go AWS Postgres ingest gzip CSV. Loading compressed data files. Okay. LZO content encoding. That's it. AWS ingest gzip content encoding. Is it? A second here. I think here's some notes. Okay, Amazon RDS S3 import file formats gzip. Content. Okay. Well, that just shows it for hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well, so I mean, it can be gzip, it can be identity. Gzip. Okay. Can content encoding values. Let's find. Okay. Okay. Deflate, compress, BR, and etc. Okay. I guess so. Content encoding identity. Content encoding identity. Okay. Should not be used in the content encoding. Okay. Okay, so then that should do the trick. I think. FS S3A content encoding. Okay, I mean, like, that looks semi-reasonable. Let's see, what do we... Oh, cool, we have a little build environment. That's kind of cool. Cat building.txt. But so we built with Docker. And actually what I want to do is probably make a test, I guess. I mean, well, okay. Let's start with compiling it. Okay. Cool. So I'm going to start with just building Hadoop tools. I don't really want to build everything else. Can I build just Hadoop AWS? That's a good question. Let's start with just this and see what happens. No. Might succeed, might not. Ah, fuck. Okay. That's gonna take a hot minute, I think. While we're doing that, let's try and figure out where we would put this test, right? Request factory. Okay, there's got to be some tests, right? Okay. Wait, it's like whatever. Okay. I mean, it's not really multi-part. It's not canned ACL. Like, I guess we could make a new I mean, okay, let's take a look at what the iTest canned ACLs looks like. Okay, not bad. So let's go ahead. iTest S3A. Content encoding .java. Tests content encoding. Object metadata. And so this is going to go iTest S3A content encoding. So we create configuration and conf.set. We're going to set content encoding. Actually, okay. s created objects have encoding. Okay, assert object has, although that's not actually gonna, that doesn't make sense. Contract test utils. Assert object has encoding. Assert that a given object has gzip encoding specified. Coding. And so then instead of S3 get object ACL, what we're going to do is okay. So get object metadata. Object metadata. Object metadata. I don't remember. Object metadata. Okay. String encoding. Assert that encoding described as encoding of object. Okay. Equals. Okay. Cool. Eh. Beep. And I don't care about any of these. Okay, cool. Oh. Okay. Moderate progress. Oh, maximum effort. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Cool. Okay. Request factory impl. Line 139. What? Oh, 133? Okay. Okay. Content encoding. Null for none. Private final content encoding. Sorry, private final string content encoding. There we go. Comp has private access. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. With content. Okay, let's. Okay. Line 915? Request factory. Oh, S3 file system. Okay. Oh, okay. I guess we'll just do get conf everywhere. Okay. Request factory impl line 206. Request factory 206. Get content encoding. Okay, get server side. Okay. Except actually, all let's do here is yeah. everything can be solved with another layer of indirection, or at least made more interesting. Okay. Okay, request factory, line 107. Oh, it's, yeah, I don't need an add override. Doop. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. No, let's just reload this. Yeah, okay. Instance, okay. Sting. Content encoding. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, do not care. Okay, hells yeah. Let's run some tests. Although also let's do a commit, because that's a good start. Add the ability for users to specify content encoding of the objects that you're putting. This is useful for people loading the data into other tools in the AWS ecosystem, which don't use file extensions to invert, e.g. serving compressed files from cool. So we'll see if these tests pass. That would be kind of cool if they did. I'd be pretty stoked. What am I doing? Oh yeah, Spark PR. Okay. Yeah. Okay, well, it's going to take a hot minute, I suppose, to do this. We pinged infra, and wait, did that work? Did it run my test? Okay. I'm suspicious. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an assertion that I expect to fail. And we're going to run this. And just make sure that it's actually running my test, because I'm suspicious whenever it works. Do we run any of these eye tests? Did we do that last time? No. So maybe these eye tests are only run under like specific circumstances. Okay. Except, okay, so this extends abstract S3A test base. Huh. Huh. Okay, so let's go take a look at test listing, for example. So okay, so it clearly didn't run that test. That's cool, I guess. I'm not super sure. Okay. These are the integration tests. Okay. So can I make this test without it being an integration test? Okay. Hadoop AWS run integration tests. How do I do that? Okay. Yes. So that's great. How do I do that? Okay, cool. Okay, I run verify. Okay. Cool. I mean, that... Oh. That's my wife. Hold on. Hello. Oh. Oh, shit. I thought that was Wednesday. Okay, my bad. I'll grab a lift over there. I'll see you. Sorry about that. I got the days mixed up. I put it on the calendar for Wednesday. I'll be there in a second. Sorry. Okay, thanks. Bye. Okay. I screwed up. I gotta go. The magic of house stuff. I will be right back. Well, by right back, I mean like probably a